decorating time and all the holidays that are coming up here. And of course, this is a day to show your patriotism. And we are making all sorts of different wreaths with the wreath lady herself from Petals Floral Boutique, Leticia Rodriguez. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing great.
Okay, so this is this kind of stuff that's really easy to do. It looks like
It's
$1 million
fun
bucks.
and easy.
Yeah, and you don't tell your friends how easy it is because they'll look at it and go, oh my gosh, you did that?
Yes.
So we have two different styles to do,
We're
right?
going to be two different styles.
Okay.
You want to start off with your wired wreath. They come in different sizes. I chose a 14-inch today to use. So here's the blank wreath. And the mesh comes in different sizes. This is a 21-inch that's 30 feet long. And this is what we'll be demoing, the curl method. So what you do is you want to get the roll and
Measure it out.
Measure it out with a yardstick or have this.
I think the toughest part about this is getting the thing to lay flat so you can cut it, right?
And you can make, and of course, the length that you decide to cut it is how big and full your wreath will be, or if you want to make it a little smaller, right?
Correct. So what we're going to do is, I have it already pre-cut to save us some time.
Sure.
We're going to get I chose 3 different colors, the red, white, and silver and white.
Okay.
There we go.
And basically, they curl themselves, so you just want to put them together.
So that's half the battle right there. And they curl themselves like that.
Yes. And then we're going to fold it in half.
Okay.
And you can use ribbon, tie mesh, pipe cleaners work. So it's folded in half. And on the second ring, we're going to tie them on in there.
So you want them on the second ring from the outside?
Correct.
Okay.
So either the pipe cleaners might be a little bit easier because they
I
kind of
find the mesh easier, but
Oh, really? Oh, it is? Okay.
Thank you for playing.
so you want to
See what I
twist
know.
it to hold on to the ring,
Okay.
and then we're going to turn here and tie it.
So tie it onto the ring first,
Correct.
the pipe
And then-
cleaner, then tie it around the mesh.
Around the mesh.
Here at the
And
bottom.
then this little loop part's going to kind of just tuck in
And,
away.
and then you just slide it over.
And you just slide it over,
And
and
you
we're going to
keep
make
going.
continuous all the way around on the second ring.
Okay.
We'll end up getting this nice full
That's what
wreath.
it'll look like right there, that
So-
finished product.
The little trick that I noticed with that is you didn't put it through at the fold. You, like you said,
I
pinched
tied-
it,
yeah.
and so the loop goes down through there,
Correct.
so it
Yeah.
makes it stand up nicely.
Yeah.
Yes, nice and full.
Okay. And the one you're
so
seeing on the screen now, that's what we're going to make next.
This is the one that
Yeah.
you were just working on,
Yes,
and
that's-
now we're
we'll have
going
her
toward
work on.
this direction, the kind of the poofy kind right there.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so how do we do that? Just take the whole roll and...
So these are the whole rolls that we'll be working with.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
And it's just a matter of...
Putting them together
Okay. All right.
and then folding it in half.
Yep.
And I'll let you try the deco mesh and see how easy that is. Because you just
Okay.
want to tie a knot in here.
So I'm doing the same thing right now.
Correct.
Oh, okay. I get to try it now. It's the competition, head-to-head competition.
So I'll let you try this one and we can demo
All
the
right.
next one.
And you are also a florist, and you're going to be out at the Home and Garden Show coming up, right?
That's correct.
This weekend?
Yes.
And
Booth 700.
Demonstrating these?
We will be doing demos throughout the day. Yes.
Okay.
Or you can purchase one already pre-made. Save you some time.
There
Makes
we
it a
go.
lot easier that way, too. And again, that was so simple to do. This is
Yes.
even a craft that you could do with the kids, too. If
Correct.
you wanted to.
Yes, my
Okay.
daughter enjoys doing this with me.
All right.
I'll take this out of the way.
We
now-
have another style that I can teach you how to make
Yes.
as well.
Because
Okay.
that's the one we're going to be making now. Yes.
This
And
one can be made either with the full size mesh or the medium size. We can put that one away.
this is just a matter of kind of gathering up and making it as poofy and as puffy
Yes,
as you want to,
so
right?
basically how this gets started, it's an inner and outer loop. So I went ahead and pre-tied my ties on here, and you can, like I said, you can use pipe cleaners, the deco mesh, and this ends up being part of the decoration.
And all of this
So-
deco mesh can be found at all of the hobby stores,
stores.
craft stores, everything
Correct.
you need right here.
Or even at my location, at my
And-
store, I sell it
and
as well.
You sell it too?
Correct.
Ah, so lessons and one-stop shopping with
Yes.
that. Okay.
Okay, and in addition, of course, to the patriotic wreath, you do such a beautiful seasonal wreath, and of course, we have Halloween coming up. And just as we talked about how you can, cut them a little shorter,
Yes,
look
it
how
gives it a
nice and
different
tight,
effect.
the coils are on the Halloween one, and then of course, the fall one down there's a little more full. And as you mentioned, besides just using the circular wreath kind of wire mesh to start with, you can use, was it a
tomato cages.
Yeah. Tomato cages for the Christmas tree
and the snowman.
The snowman.
And a cornucopia or anything. Just use your imagination, right?
Yes, you can just do about anything.
And like I said, all the supplies are at her place, and she's going to be there at the Home and Garden Show this weekend.
There's the information on the screen. You can catch Pretty Petals Floral Boutique at the San Antonio Home and Garden Show September 14th through the 16th at the Alamo Dome. For more information, just head to our website, salive.com, and click on the As Seen on SA Live tab. All right.